Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome to episode 7. We are here in Lake Windermere in the Lake District. We thought we'd come for a little bit of a day out. We've got the drone, we've got the Canon, and we're just seeing what kind of footage we can get. So we stopped off driving through these country roads. We found this like literally to die for view. We've pulled off in a lay-by and we're about to walk on a main road to try and get some footage of this view. But honestly, if we get it, it's going to be insane. Honest to God, the view is absolutely insane around here. It's pretty spectacular. Don't know if you can see that behind me, but honestly, it's mental. This hill, we're not even there yet. It's been a little bit insane. I assume it goes up to come down, but I don't know. But all around us is literally just insane views, which you can see from the footage. But whew, I'm a bit out of breath. Sorry about the hair. Sorry about the look. Well, this is what happens when you're like Bear Grylls, I suppose. So I'm going to describe myself right now as Bear Grylls. Like I said before, we stopped off, we were driving down the road, we found this amazing view and we had to go into a lay-by a while back and then walk here, but honestly it is incredible. The view here is insane, as you can see by the drone footage. I don't actually know where we are. We're somewhere in between Windermere and Kendal, if that means anything. I'd highly advise you come and you take a trip down to the lakes, especially if you live in the UK or you're travelling to the UK. It's just breathtaking, it's insane.